Hello guys, welcome to Roadmap. Today we are going to learn about nutrition in animals. And if you like the video, please don't forget to subscribe. Topics to be covered are introduction, steps and process of animal nutrition, different modes of procuring food, process of nutrition in animals, nutrition in amoeba, human digestive system, alimentary canal, digestive glands, digestive system disorders, ruminant digestive system. Introduction. Living organisms require food to survive. Animals cannot synthesize their food, so they have to depend directly on plants or other animals. Animals may be herbivore that eat plant, carnivore that eat flesh, or omnivore that eat flesh or plant. Food eaten by animals consists of complex substances. The process of breaking down of complex substances into simple, soluble, and usable substances is called as digestion. Steps involved in process of animal nutrition. Animal nutrition is a holozoic type of nutrition and it has got 5 steps: ingestion, digestion, absorption, assimilation, and egestion. Ingestion, where the food is taken in the form of solid material like vegetable or fruit. The complex food is then broken down into simple one. This process is called as digestion. Absorption, where the digested nutrients are absorbed. Assimilation, where the energy is utilized for growth and development. Egestion, where the undigested food is thrown out of the body. There are different modes of procuring food. Amoeba take in food particles by using cellular protrusions called pseudopodia or false feet. Paramecium has hair-like substances called cilia. Multicellular organisms has hydra, which has got finger-like outgrowths called tentacles to put prey into mouth. Frog uses its tongue to catch its prey. Butterfly uses feeding tube to suck nectar from flower. Earthworm has muscular pharynx to swallow its food. Human beings use hands, and lizards use sticky tongues to catch their prey. Birds use sharp claws and curved beaks. Giraffes have long necks and elephants have trunks to screech out leaves of tall trees. Nutrition in amoeba. Amoeba is a unicellular animal. It eats microscopic plants and animals that float in water. It is a holozoic nutrition where there are 5 steps. Ingestion, which is done by pseudopodia. It closes to form a small cavity called food vacuole. Digestion is the process where food digested in food vacuole by digestive enzyme. It is the intracellular digestion as it takes place within the cell. Absorption is the process where digested food in food vacuole is absorbed directly into cytoplasm of amoeba with the help of diffusion. It spreads from vacuole to whole amoeba cell. And assimilation is used to obtain energy for maintaining life processes. Egestion is the process when sufficient amount of food is collected in amoeba, cell membrane ruptures and throws the undigested food outside the body. This is the process of nutrition in amoeba, where amoeba senses the food. Pseudopodia surround the food. The food is enclosed in a food vacuole. Enzymes from cytoplasm are secreted into the food vacuole. The food is then digested and soluble materials are absorbed and assimilated. This process is absorption and assimilation. And the undigested waste is expelled, which is egestion. Human digestive system. Alimentary canal along with the digestive glands forms the human digestive system. The food is taken in with the help of mouth. It goes to different organs and finally it removes undigested food with the help of anus. Alimentary canal has got mouth, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine and anus. Digestive glands has salivary glands, pancreas and liver. Alimentary canal, it has got mouth. Mouth contains tongue, teeth, salivary gland. Tongue, teeth, jaws help in grinding of food. Digestion of food begins in mouth. Saliva is secreted by salivary glands. Salivary glands help in digestion of food. Amylase is present in saliva which break down starch into sugars. Saliva lubricates food and makes it easier to swallow. There are types of teeth. which is temporary and permanent. It has got incisors, canines, premolars and molars. Incisors in temporary teeth are 8, canines are 4, premolars are 0, molars are 8, which is total forms 20 number of teeth. Permanent teeth, it has got 8 incisors, 4 canines, premolars are 8, molars are 12, and there are total 32 number of teeth. Now, why these incisors, canines, premolars and molars are needed? Incisors help in cutting and biting of foodstuffs. Canines hold and tear the food. Premolars crush and grind the food, while molars help in effective grinding of the food. If you don't brush your teeth properly, it will lead to teeth decay. The tooth decay is where the bacteria grows. It lives on the food that is stuck between the teeth, and then it converts into acid. The hole is formed, which is called as cavity, and it leads to tooth decay. Tongue and esophagus. Tongue organ is used for taste. It has got taste buds to know food is sour or sweet. It helps in rolling and pushing of pharynx. It mixes saliva with food and it helps in speaking. Esophagus, which is also called as food pipe. It is a connecting tube between mouth and stomach. It acts as passage of food between mouth and stomach. Food is pushed towards stomach through peristaltic movement. Stomach and small intestine. Stomach, it is J-shaped, bag-like structure made of muscles. Stomach secretes mucus, gastric juice, and hydrochloric acid. Hydrochloric acid kills microorganisms which help in effective digestion. The gastric juice has enzyme called pepsin that converts protein into simple substances. Small intestine, it is the longest part of digestive system. It consists of duodenum, jejunum, and ileum. In small intestine, food mixes with bile and pancreatic juice, which are secreted by pancreas and liver. Absorption of food is done by ileum and projections is called as villi. Large intestine and anus. Large intestine, it is the last organ of digestive system. It has got 3 parts, colon, rectum, and casein. It helps in absorbing water. Anus, it is the last part of alimentary canal, and fecal matter is thrown outside the body. Digestive glands. Salivary glands. Liver and pancreas are digestive glands. Salivary gland, it has 3 pairs of salivary glands located in mouth. Amylase is the enzyme which works on starch and converts it sugar. Liver, it is reddish brown gland which is located upper part of abdomen on right side, and it is the largest gland in the body. Pancreas, it is cream colored gland located just below the stomach and acts on carbohydrates, fats, proteins to convert in smaller substances. Digestive system disorders. Diarrhea, condition during which watery stool is passed than normal due to waterborne bacteria. In India, it is very common in rainy season. Indigestion and food poisoning result in diarrhea. ORS is given, that is oral rehydration solution, which is nothing but boiled water with salt and sugar. Constipation, it is a condition where individual has fewer than normal bowel movement. Stool is hard, dry and difficult to pass. Improper food intake. Food doesn't contain roughages like carrot. A proper diet regularly helps in avoiding digestive disorders. Ruminant digestive system. The ruminant digestive system occurs in animals which are herbivore like cow, buffalo, sheep, goat, etc. It is a 2-step process system. The process where it has got 4-chamber stomach, rumen, reticulum, omasum and abomasum. The food is taken in first with the help of mouth. It is then stored in rumen. It is then partially digested in curd, and the curd then goes to the reticulum where the food is again returned back to the mouth and it is again chewed, and then again finally it goes to abomasum where the gastric juice helps in the secretion of digestion of food like in humans, and omasum is the stage where it is converted into smaller pieces. That this is all about the nutrition in animals. Thank you for watching.